The greenhouse effect. Although the bulk of photovoltaic devices today are used for purely practical and economic reasons, a potential benefit of photovoltaics is that PV is one of the most environmentally benign of any electricity generating source. The environmental impact of electricity generation, particularly the greenhouse effect, adds an important reason for examining photovoltaics. A brief overview of the greenhouse effect is given below. The Earth's temperature is a result of an equilibrium established between the incoming radiation from the Sun and the energy radiated into space by the Earth. The outgoing radiation emitted by the Earth is strongly affected by the presence and composition of the Earth's atmosphere. If we had no atmosphere, as on the Moon, the average temperature on the Earth's surface would be about -18 degrees Celsius. However, a natural background level of 270 ppm carbon dioxide, CO2, in the atmosphere absorbs outgoing radiation, thereby keeping this energy in the atmosphere and warming the Earth. The atmosphere causes the Earth's temperature to be about 15 degrees Celsius on average, 33 degrees Celsius above the Moon's. Carbon dioxide absorbs strongly in the 13 to 19 micrometers wavelength band, and water vapor, another atmospheric gas, absorbs strongly in the 4 to 7 micrometers wavelength band. Most outgoing radiation, 70%, escapes in the window between 7 to 13 micrometers. Human activities are increasingly releasing anthropogenic gases into the atmosphere, which absorb in the 7 to 13 micrometers wavelength range, particularly carbon dioxide, methane, ozone, nitrous oxides and chlorofluorocarbons (CFCs). These gases prevent the normal escape of energy and potentially will lead to an increase in terrestrial temperature. Present evidence suggests effective CO2 levels will double by 2030, causing global warming of 1 to 4 degrees Celsius. This would lead to changes in wind patterns and rainfall, and as a result may cause the interior of continents to dry out and cause the Earth's oceans to rise. Further increases in the release of anthropogenic gases would, of course, cause more severe effects. The graph above only goes to the mid-90s, since that was the time we started writing the PVCDROM. At the time there was considerable discussion about whether the warming was a trend or a statistical fluctuation. There was some hope that the average temperatures would go down again to the level of the statistical average. In the intervening years the temperature of the Earth has continued to rise, as shown in the graph below. Clearly, human activities have now reached a scale where they are impacting on the planet's environment and its attractiveness to humans. The side effects could be devastating, and technologies with low environmental impact and no greenhouse gas emissions are likely to be of increasing importance over the coming decades. Since the energy sector is the major producer of greenhouse gases via the combustion of fossil fuels, technologies such as photovoltaics, which can substitute for fossil fuels, must increasingly be used.